If you need to change your domain name in Bluehost, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly how to go about it. So let's get into it. All right, so there's a few things that you need to know in terms of changing a domain name. So while we're doing this, we're going to go over to the top right hand side and we are going to click on this question mark icon. We're going to look for knowledge base, and here this is their support resources. So you're going to go and you can look through all of the documentation that they have available. And if you're not completely happy, you can go all the way down past this and look for the get in touch button. This will essentially open up one of these chat boxes and you'll be able to now chat with a consultant. You'll have to request a change or a primary domain name change. So you'd have to have that domain name in your possession. You'll have to own that domain name, and you'll have to then change from your current domain name to the domain name that you want your Bluehost website to be on. So as I mentioned before, there's no way of changing the domain because you actually purchased the domain name with the extension. So if you want it to be something different, you'll have to purchase that domain and then click over here, start new, and request your primary domain on your Bluehost website to be changed.